let's talk about money and how I earn money from my 7 streams of income. Anything the year 2020 has taught us is that your financial situation can go down anytime soon, and oh my god, it was stressful. And I know so many of us, so many people are so much in need of money, and so many people have lost their jobs, which is such a unfortunate thing. But touch wood, like I feel so happy that I don't know, like this happened. And even though this year has affected all of us financially, I would say the things which did prior kind of helped me to kind of be stable in 2020. And I cannot even imagine like what other people are going through. Now this video is to not brag about, oh my god, I have 7 streams of income, I earn this much money, I earn that much money. No, it is none of that. I clearly made this video for the purpose of you guys watching, and I know that since we are in such a difficult times, I want to give others some ideas through which you can expand your streams of income. Because the one thing which I've seen, which I have really learned in this entire of my career journey, I would say, whatever I've learned, the one main thing which I've learned is to always build your other streams of income. No matter how small money they make you, it will grow, it can grow, but it is really important to branch out and never put all your eggs in one basket. This is the one most important thing which I've learned, and I'm so thankful that I've like really learned that, and I've taken it into consideration since the past 2 years. So I've been earning, I would say, like 4 to 5, now 7, via 7 streams of income over the past 2 years. So this is not just my first year, I think this is like my third year. Yeah, this is my third year of having multiple streams of income, and I plan to have as many sources of income as I can. Because as I said, may never know when you are going to stop getting paid from this person, that person, this place, that place, this job, that job. So it is always better to have multiple sources of income, hence this video is here. Now I'm going to be talking everything about each of my 7 streams of income. How much money do I make? I'm not going to mention like actual figures, but like I'm going to divide it into categories, like the most paid, then the lowest paid, and like like the least paid, or like which other streams which I want to have in 2021. So let's go. Now I am a social media blogger, influencer, you can say. With that, I have my own Instagram marketing agency, which is @Urvee Designs. So most of my incomes comes from my Instagram, which is _Urvee_ and my Urvee Designs Instagram. So that is basically how I am earning money. Now the first stream of income which has, I would say, given me the most amount, or like the most financial freedom, I would say, is freelancing. Now freelancing is basically, as I said, I'm a digital marketing agency owner. I create content for other creation pages. I help them creating content, video editing, scripting, provide them ideas, basically do their work, post for them, give them hashtags, do their YouTube tags, SEO, all of that stuff. So that is what I do, and I would say that is the most paid for me as of now. So that's basically freelancing, there's nothing else to say. Now the next one, the second one which comes into the category, is Instagram blogging. Now I have a fashion, makeup, lifestyle, travel page, which is _Urvee_, as you can see over here. I have 33,000 followers as of now, and brands do reach out for me for paid collaborations. So that is basically the second stream of income which I have currently going on. I would say it is comes just below the freelancing, because still I do get barter brands and like barter collaborations and even paid collaborations. So it's a mixture of that. The third one is the source of income, which has, yeah, it leaves me speechless, because I started this in May. Yeah, I started this in May, and I cannot even tell you the amount of freedom I have received because of starting this source of income. Has changed my life. I'm not even kidding you. And like it just has given me so much of like vision into my career, and third is basically selling my own courses. So I have a, as I said, a digital marketing page where I basically teach people digital marketing, YouTube marketing, Instagram marketing. I have created a small short 2-hour course on hashtag mastery, which is basically, how to pick hashtags, how to use them, all of that stuff. I created a course, and then I'm selling it for 399, which is, I would say, a very fair shareable amount, and I have been selling it since May, and let me tell you, the income, oh my god, it, I mean, I would say, like, it has definitely, like, given me a vision on where I want to go, how I want to help other people, and it's not just like, oh my god, I'm making money. No, that is not the intention of it. It is just something that I can help people, and then also I can earn in some way. So the third one is definitely selling courses. Now this is a complete offline thing, I would say. um, I do not have to invest much of my time as I have to do in freelancing and Instagram blogging. This is like I have to film the course once, I would say 3 months, and then keep on updating it as the algorithm changes and the changes keep on happening. So yeah, one is comparatively lesser this year. Now, as I mentioned, I had my digital product store on Etsy. I do kind of sell that, but the sales have been very wonky, and this year I didn't have many sales, but yeah, I did get a very small amount, but I would say, like, you know if you add a penny, if you, like, a drop makes a ocean, every single drop makes an ocean. So that is basically Etsy. And the fifth one also, these are the basically oh no, wait, the sixth one is bigger one, but we'll talk about fifth one as of now. The fifth one is selling my clothes. Now I sell my clothes on this page called as Thrifting Bloggers Closet. That is basically where I sell my page, my page, sell my clothes, and that's how I'm able to earn a little bit of money. And also thrifting is great, good for the environment, and I do not sell like old clothes. I sell like newer clothes which I haven't really worn. I just worn 1 or 2 times for my Instagram photo shoots. So yeah. Now the sixth one is consultations. I provide Instagram marketing consultations for people, or like my audience who is following me on Urvee Designs. So that is basically what, and I would say this would probably come on the fourth one, besides selling courses, selling courses. But I mean, I just wrote it down as I remembered my streams of income. But yeah, consultation is also one of the important ones. Now the seventh one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically, as you know, I am an influencer. So let's say if I want to recommend you this phone case which I have on Amazon, all I have to do whenever I'm like taking a stories, now affiliate marketing works in this way. I have to copy the link of the product using my code and then share it with my audience. Now if my audience goes and clicks on the products, if they buy anything from the product, I will get a certain percent commission off of it. I do that whenever people recommend me, ask me to recommend products that I really love. For example, the makeup brushes which I have done it for the eyeshadow palettes which I have. So I did that, and people basically really liked it, and whenever they buy, I get a small commission. Now this commission is very less. I would say like even 1%. So if you're buying for a product worth 100 rupees, I'm going to get 1 rupee off of that purchase. So this is like a very small thing, but still, as I said, like every single drop makes an ocean. It might help me to pay one time's food for a restaurant, or maybe I can even, like, who knows, what else can I do? I don't know. Anyways, you get the point. So these were basically my 7 streams of income. Now talking about the next streams of income which I really want to inculcate in 2021 is this. Now I really want to start earning from YouTube ads, which is YouTube monetization, which will be the 8th one, and the 9th one I'm hoping should be again YouTube sponsorships. So that is probably the long term goal. I'm not sure, I don't know how it's gonna go, but let's see. I really want to start earning from YouTube, because I've been putting a lot of efforts into that, let me tell you. But still, we will see. And if you are a person who has only working only one job, please, 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 from the bottom of my heart, I would recommend you to start doing something which branches out your streams of income. You know, even like go and do freelancing on different websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, all of that. You will start getting at least something, so that you do not have to look for other ways. And you know, one, if you don't have a, if one door shuts, you are not concerned, because you, I mean, yes, you are concerned, but you are less stressed if you just had that one job. You know what I mean? I feel it, and I've seen so many people losing their jobs. And you know, I mean, it's like the necessity of this year we were in, to have like the financial freedom, to have multiple streams of income, because that is how we are going to feel somewhat in control. And I know we all do like to feel in control when it comes to our finances. We needed it, we need this more than ever. So please take this into consideration. You can see which ones you can start on. You can start freelancing, you can start Instagram blogging, you can start selling your clothes and on Etsy, or even start your affiliate thing, and just keep on going and seeing how you can, you know, create different streams of income. So yeah, that was the video, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below which streams of income do you have, and which one are you really considering to, you know, start off with. I really want to know more. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Till then, bye.